calling Miss Dig 811?
So that you know where the power lines or the lines are.
That is correct. Do you think that keeps people safe?
For sure.
Awesome. Thank you, Jerry.
Well, that's it.
That's it. Have you ever used Miss Dig?
Not personally, but for work.
Oh, for work. Okay, so in what capacity do you use Miss Dig at work?
Well, if we need to know if there's anything underground, if we're doing any digging.
And do you think that keeps your crew safe?
I think it does.
And how do you contact Miss Dig?
811.
That's right. Thank you. You had a good day. Thanks for watching Miss Dig's What's the 811. Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.